while we are going now, going to Sunshine Coast and Powell River. I'm taking breakfast. This is the inside cafeteria. We'll show you from outside.
In the unlikely event of an emergency, please stop what you're doing and follow directions from the crew. They will guide you to the assembly station, life jacket, and life raft, all located on deck 4. If necessary, a crew member may ask you to put on a life jacket. Here's how to do it. Press the red button on the bottom buckle and the 2 small black buttons on the top buckle to open. Pull the bottom buckle outward to extend the strap. Pull the life jacket open and place over your head. Wrap the bottom strap around your back and clip it into the buckle in front. Now clip the top strap below your chin. Ensure both straps are tight and secure. Check that the bottom strap is around the middle of your back, not your waist, and tuck the remainder of the strap behind your back. If you need any assistance during the voyage, please identify yourself to a crew member so we can help. Remember, you are on a moving vessel and can sometimes move unexpectedly. So please, walk carefully, use handrails, and watch for high door sills. Be careful on outer decks that may be wet, and watch out for structures that come and you on balance. Help your fellow passengers stay safe by keeping luggage out of aisles and off seats. Pets must remain on the vehicle deck or in the designated pet area on deck 3. Guide and service dogs are permitted in all passenger areas of the vessel. We're proud to provide a smoke-free environment. There's no smoking anywhere on board vessels or at terminals. This includes the use of e-cigarettes. While on board, be sure to visit the Coastal Cafe for a coffee or bite to eat. Or do some shopping at Passage's Gift Shop. These are both on deck 4. If you are traveling with small children, there is a play area and parents' room on deck 4 as well. Now on behalf of the captain and all of our crew, enjoy your voyage, and thank you for sailing through the BC Ferry.
So this is a commentary from